Morning guys, June 8th, 2026. I got a call from a guy I worked for in the past. He's got a problem with his toilet leaking. So there's something about the shut off under the toilet, the handle broke, and it might be leaking from the packing nut. You don't know if that's where the leak from the toilet's coming from, or it's coming from somewhere. Said he might need a new toilet. So we'll go there and we'll address the issue with the shut off. Maybe put a new one on there if the handle's gone. I'll have to look at it. I might have some used handles, and easy enough to fix. Put a new washer into things. Depends on how bad it is. I'll look at it. A lot of times the packing nut, you can just tighten the packing nut up on that thing, and it's fine. We'll have to look at it. See what it's doing. Kind of a pain in the ass. Unsweat it, put a new one on there. Sometimes it's in a tough area to get to. So sometimes it's, unless the toilet's, if the toilet's not there, it's...
Turn left on Hicksfield Road.
It's not an issue, but when the toilet's in place, a lot of times you gotta kind of really reach in there to work on it. It's not easy. We'll look at it. It's leaking from the tank bolts. Right there. I gotta see if I can get another handle for this. I could take that screw out and get another handle. I can shut that off. That's CPVC. See the plastic? Probably gonna have to cut those bolts off of there, most likely. They look steel, look like they're rusted. Alright, there's 3 toilet bolts. I buy the good brass ones if I can find them. That's a set of bolts, I need that.
Unknown caller.
Some handles on the bottom here. Use shit and handles or something. I could grab a handle. That's what's in there, is this fucker. I got another handle there. I should be able to put that on there. Unfortunately, I'm gonna kind of waste a valve. That's CPVC, that's plastic. Let's see if it even holds. I might be able to tighten them up, I'm not sure. I'm gonna try. I don't think so. They're rusted on there. No, I'm gonna have to cut them off. rusted on there. You can tell they're rusted on there. There we go. That's the way to get them off. Right there. Do just the back one now. Alright, I put another set of bolts in there. Washers, and I had to clean all the muck out of there. See if it leaks. This handle might have to tighten this packing up, I'm not sure yet. That should be fine. A little rusty. Probably should have just bought it with no toilet. That was a tough one. That was a tough one. Alright, well, see it leaking. I wiped it good and I flushed it a bunch of times. See it leaking. Them aren't leaking them brass anymore, put new ones.